Hello everyone, welcome back to our Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. We are very happy to share you this playlist. This is the dedicated playlist for all biomedical engineering, biotechnology and biomedical science students where they are able to get their project ideas. If you already have a project idea in your mind, or if you get any project ideas in this playlist, you can contact us through the WhatsApp number or other similar contact numbers given below in the description, especially email or other numbers. If we are able to help you in this way, we are more than happy to assist you. We are very flexible, we are very friendly, and we are very affordable for supporting you to construct your dream project. Do not hesitate to contact us. Drop a WhatsApp message. Our technical team members will able to assist you for finalizing your project ideas. Let's get back to today's idea. Did you know that millions of people worldwide suffer from retinal diseases like diabetic retinopathy, glaucoma, and macular degeneration? Early detection can prevent vision loss, but many cases go undiagnosed. What if AI could help doctors detect these diseases faster and more accurately? In this video, I'll walk you through how to build an AI-powered retinal disease detection system perfect for a final year biomedical, biotechnology or bioscience student or even for midterm project as well. I'll cover everything from the idea, how it works, how to collect data, train the AI model and deploy it in a simple interface. Let us try to understand the retinal diseases. What are retinal diseases? Diabetic retinopathy caused by high blood sugar damaging the retina. Second one called glaucoma, which has been increased eye pressure affecting the optic nerves. Third one can be macular degeneration, where age-related deterioration of central vision takes place. The importance of early detection and AI's role in assisting ophthalmologists in this project will be focused. For an example of retinal image, you can use open source databases in order to understand the images and the real impact from the Google. Let me tell you how does this project work. Initial step will be data collection where we will gather retinal images. Second stage will be AI model training where teaching AI to recognize diseases. And the third step will be testing the model where ensuring accuracy takes place. And the final stage is going to be deployment where we can create a user-friendly interface for the detection. Let us see the required tools and technologies for this project concept. You don't need to be an AI expert in order to do this project. Here what we need a step-by-step guide. Dear students, please make sure that we are not guiding you the entire technical parts in this video. Our intention is giving you the random or general idea about these kind of videos. If you are interested to take part or in order to fulfill this project, please don't hesitate to contact us through the WhatsApp number given below. Our technical team will be more than happy to assist you in order to construct this project or similar projects. Now let's back to the business. Software related things what we need is Python, TensorFlow or Keras for AI and similar other open source softwares can be used. Hardware stuffs which can be a PC with good GPU for training locally or Google Cloud will be helpful. And also we will be needing dataset sources where we will be using Kaggle's Aptos dataset or else ID with dataset also will be applicable in this scenario. Let me walk you through step-by-step project execution in this idea. Step 1. Data collection and pre-processing. We need to download the retinal image from Kaggle, pre-process images and then label the dataset. Step 2 will be AI model training, where we can use a convolution neural network, in the other hand, we call CNN. Split data into training and testing sets. Train the model to classify images into different disease categories. Test the accuracy of the model. Step 3 will be testing the AI model. Run the model on new retinal images. Check if the model correctly identifies diseases. Improve accuracy by fine tuning. Last step would be deploying the model. Convert the model into a simple web app using Streamlit. Users can upload an image and AI predicts the disease. Show a demo of how the app works will be also helpful in this project. The results and future scopes will be showcase final results with a few test images that will be satisfied. Discussing the limitations such as the need for large data sets and real-world validation will be also needed. Future improvements would be using real-time fundus camera data. Additionally, integrating AI with telemedicine will be helpful. This will be the recap of this final video idea. So, we built an AI model that detects retinal diseases from fundus images, tested its accuracy, and deployed it as a web app. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your network and colleagues. Mainly, don't forget to contact us in order to get the project idea, especially on this concept, or if you have some other similar concepts for your final year biomedical engineering, technology, and biomedical science concepts. Please don't hesitate to contact us so that we will be able to help you in order to construct your dream project. We are helping you in multiple ways, such as providing technical consultations, guiding you through providing technical proposals, providing you technical documentations, and many more. Drop a text so that one of our team members will be more than happy to support you regarding this project. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions. We are looking forward to see you soon in our consultation sessions, where we will be able to guide you or walk you through this entire project concept. Thank you.